Hello everyone, this is Greg with Info USA 1. This is a very quick video to answer a question that gets searched for a lot, and that's how to get someone to stop snoring. Now, of course, we want to quickly answer the question, what is snoring, to begin with? And snoring happens when you can't move air freely through your nose and throat during sleep. This can make the surrounding tissue vibrate, which creates that very familiar snoring sound. Now, it's constantly the subject of jokes, but there can be health issues for the individual. And the biggest issue by far for most people is that it can create very serious problems in a relationship. So here are 5 very effective tips to help stop snoring without using any kind of medication. The first is to change the position of your sleep. Overwhelmingly, snoring happens the most when you are lying on your back. Sleeping on your side may help prevent this. It can make a dramatic difference. Open up your nasal passages. Keeping your nasal passages open allows air to move through slower. Using nasal strips like Breathe Right may also work to lift nasal passages and open them up. You also want to stay well hydrated. The drier the throat and nasal areas are, the more it can vibrate. Drink plenty of fluids. Plus, you should also consider getting a humidifier for the bedroom to keep moisture in the air. And we all know that losing weight has all kinds of other health benefits. But when it comes for snoring, carrying excess weight around your neck and throat area greatly contributes to the snoring. And finally, the biggest tip of all, it's very effective, and that is using a mouthpiece that is specifically designed to hold your throat in a way that completely eliminates the snoring. A person can stop snoring immediately by using a custom molded mouthpiece created to stop snoring. And customers overwhelmingly have rated Sleep Tight as one of the best stop snoring mouthpiece. It can help you stop snoring naturally. You get a better night's sleep, which of course improves your overall health, and stop interrupting your spouse. It also has been FDA reviewed for effectiveness. Now, right below this video, we have a link to their official website where you can get more information, including a risk-free 30-day trial. Click the link below to visit the website now. This has been a quick video on how to get someone to stop snoring.